Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Sunny and warm right now. This is obviously Siskiyou County and Mount Shasta. I'm not sure if we're seeing snow or kind of the glaciers there, but not a lot of snow to be darn sure.
Either way, it's a beautiful picture out there. It's nice to see those bright sunny skies. Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff joins us now. Jason, I'm really actually hoping you'll tell us maybe we'll get a little bit more rain this season.
This season, that's a tall order. Perhaps a few rain showers, very little snow for the mountains, and we are going to be drying out in the valley. But temperatures were actually a little bit cooler today. Felt really good. Look at these temperatures, slightly cooler than average for the valley. Our average high in Redding this time of year is 85. 83 feels pretty good. It's also 83 degrees in Red Bluff and Corning. It is 85 in Oroville and 82 degrees in Chico. Comfortable in the higher elevations also, mainly 60s and lower 70s. And this is also nice to see when we have such dry fuel on the ground. The wind isn't very strong. Everyone less than 15 miles an hour. So as we look at the satellite and radar composite, fewer clouds in the sky than yesterday, just a few puffy cumulus clouds over the higher terrain. What we want though for tomorrow morning and our total lunar eclipse is a clear sky. I want to show you what's going on. We have a supermoon. It's a very complex situation. The full moon is going to be at its closest point to the Earth. It has an elliptical orbit, not a circular one. We have the flower moon because the full moon in May, it's about the time that all the flowers are blooming. And then we have the blood moon with this eclipse. That moon, when we're in the total lunar eclipse, is going to appear quite red outside. So when is this going to be occurring? Well, if you can get up at early, maybe set your alarm for 4 a.m. so you can see the total lunar eclipse. I'm going to get out of the way so you can see this. It's actually going to start about 2:45, and it's going to be moving into the Earth's shadow. Now, the total eclipse itself will only last about 15 minutes, from 4:11, maximizing at 4:18, then ending at 4:25 tomorrow morning. Now, we'll still have some of the Earth's shadow on the moon's face until just before 6 a.m., and then that's when it's all going to come to an end. So if you can get up at 4 o'clock, you'll be able to see the entire lunar eclipse. Now, we need Mother Nature to cooperate and not have too many clouds in the way. Very few clouds late tonight. Here's 4 o'clock. There are going to be a couple clouds here and there, but this should not inhibit your view of this really cool astronomical sight in the sky. So if you can get up that early, go ahead and do so. We're going to have a mostly sunny sky both Wednesday and a little bit more cloud cover on Thursday. Slightly stronger breezes Thursday and Friday. And then as this upcoming Memorial Day weekend arrives, it's going to get a lot hotter for us. Here's the forecast for Wednesday. A warmer mix of sun and clouds for the northern mountains. Highs from 75 in Mount Shasta to 85 degrees in Weaverville. For the southern Cascades and northern Sierra, mainly 70s, but Quincy's going to get to 80 degrees. Chester, after a cool start, how about a high of 77? For the Ridge, most lows will be in the 50s tomorrow morning, but the highs looking good. 70s and lower 80s, 77 degrees for Concow, 78 for Magalia, and 80 in Paradise. For the Valley tonight, we'll have a mostly clear sky. Remember that total lunar eclipse from 4:11 to 4:26 a.m. Lows in the 50s, highs though getting hotter, near 90 degrees for almost everybody. And the Chico area, lows tonight in the 50s, highs tomorrow in the upper 80s and lower 90s, and it's only going to get hotter. Look at the upcoming Memorial Day weekend. For Chico, Saturday, 90, 95 on Sunday, 98 degrees Memorial Day. And next Tuesday, the first 100-degree temperature of the year. For Redding, only one day in the 80s. By Memorial Day, it's going to be a hot 100 degrees.